Hey friends, it's Deb from Bowl Me Over. By now you've probably noticed there's a new search engine on the screen. And in addition to that, there's new ways to save the recipes. There's actually a new button over here on the left. I know we've saved things previously with this little heart on the right, but that's going to go away in about a month. And we want you to start transferring your recipes over to the new saved option. So what you'll do is click here to save the recipe. And this is going to come up. You're going to create a free account. It's pretty simple. You'll enter your email address. And hit continue. And then enter your password. Whatever password you choose. It's a private password, and then just sign up. And your recipe's saved. Now, you can keep those recipes just like you used to before, but this new search engine is going to give us a lot more options down the road to take items in our pantry, to cook with it, to really walk you through the recipes and help make things more clear. So our first step, though, is signing up, creating an account, and saving recipes. Thanks. I'll share more next week.